Here are FxPro's 2021 milestones to remember. Let's see what's in the box. Thousands of new stocks. We unlocked a range of crypto CFDs just for you. Crypto trading for the market that never sleeps. Our precious metal gift to you, Palladium. We are also proud to continue our winning partnership with the McLaren F1 team for another 3 years. We added filters to our shares page and a homepage price ticker displaying new and popular instruments. We made several updates and improvements to our native trading platform and account management app for iOS and Android, including new charting features, even more industry awards. Best FX provider, best broker, most transparent broker, most trusted broker, best brand brokers, best customer support. We dramatically expanded our media presence internationally and had a record number of publications, the highest since 2019. See you in 2022.